What's going on, YouTube? Ladies and gentlemen, HVAC technicians. Got a package delivered today. That's what I've been waiting for. I hope it's not the hat that Zach Ciota from HVAC Shop Talk is sending me. If it is, it's either a cowboy hat, which I don't wear those, or he thinks I have a really big head. So anyway, don't think that's what's in this box. Something else I've been waiting for. And oh, by the way, Zach, I hope you got your, I think it showed my email today, you got your t-shirt delivered from Redneck Barbecue Lab. Hope you like it. Anyway, I ordered a new Veto bag. This is going to be the unboxing video. I've got the TP-XXL, and I like that bag, but it's still a little tight. I should have ordered this one last chance when I had the opportunity. The interior of the bag's not bad, but I miss not having, I'm having to strap my meter, my field piece meter, to the side of the bag with zip ties. This one has the 2 meter bags on the side, and there's an update on those meter bags as far as the ease of access. So with all that said, this is the unboxing. I'm going to use this. You guys, this is an electrician's knife. It's a SOG. Can't remember where I got it. I've had it for about 2 years. Nice knife. The reason I like it, it's got holes here for inserting wire and cutting. Spin it around, cut that larger gauge wire, slide it off. It also has a set of wire strippers on it right there. So in a pinch, you need to strip a set of wires. Goes all the way down to your normal average size 18 to 20 gauge thermostat wire. Works pretty well. It's got another little cutting blade on the end there. Need to slide something in there, trim it, cut it. Works real well. SOG. Go on their web. I've never been on their website. Maybe you can order one. I might have picked this up at Johnstone. I'm not sure. Anyway, let's open this box real quick. Try not to keep you too long. Most everybody's familiar with Veto bags, so we're going to get this one right out. The original opening of the box. This was the spring promo, so it came with a free bag. They are both in here. And we will start with the free bag. Oh, by the way, shout out HVAC Tactical. I like the shirts. This is the TP6B. This was going to be the free bag from the promo. And I have a TP4B that I use. This bag looked interesting. It has the outer pocket on the front. And what I'm noticing is your little pockets in there for your bits go from short to small. So you have some shallower pockets, so if you need to stick something shorter in there, it'll stick up where you can grab it. And then it's got a few deeper pockets, still room to slide some things back in there. It does have the V-swap panel in it with 3 pockets in it. It's got the little strap on the side, some outer pockets here. They added this deeper weld pocket there, some D-rings. Does have the tape strap right there. Does have your little elastic pocket here to tuck a few things in. Some side pockets, some more bit pockets or places to stick things. Plenty of room in there if you want to drop a drill or something in there. Little small impact, Milwaukee maybe. It's got the hook, and it's got the back pocket if you want to stick a little box down there with your bits, like your stake-ons, wire nuts, fittings, little things like that. Will go in there nice. So this, my friends, will be part of the free giveaway. I told you at 1,000 subscribers. That, and more than likely, it may be very well combined with my TP-XL, a combo kit, TP-XL, and the TP6B for the 1,000 subscriber free giveaway. $290 roughly in Veto bags on that giveaway. My TP-XL is in great condition. I don't abuse it. It's clean, no rips, no tears, no stains. very good condition. So you may very well get 2 bags in that free giveaway. 1,000 subscribers. Get people to subscribe. I'm gonna do a drawing. I'll figure out how I'm gonna do that. Somebody's gonna get 2 Veto bags on my giveaway. So here we go. The TP-XXL is right here. I ordered it in the camo. All my bags are camo. Just what I like based on my military background. Like I said, I was in the 82nd Airborne Division at Fort Bragg for 7 years. Camouflage has kind of always been my thing. So we're going to open it up. Deeper pocket. Doesn't have the magnet, but I don't need that because the steel plate is still in here. So I can put my magnetic tray, and I'm doing that on my XL bag. This will give me more room. Put my magnetic tray right there. It'll stick right to it. Extra screws, things like that. But this will be a bigger pocket to put maybe another small box, or larger than one I'm using, with stake-ons, wire nuts, things like that. Maybe some fuse popper, stuff like that. So anyway, I'm going to do a loadout video probably this weekend. I'm going to show you how I'm going to pack it out. Everybody falls into the rabbit hole. There's your shoulder strap that comes with it, the other chain link, and for your tape, and then we've got the nylon tape strap. So whichever one you prefer, you will have both options. But the TP, I don't want to fall into the rabbit hole where you get a little bit larger bag and you pack everything in it. The same thing that's in my XL is going to go in this. I'm going to add a few things, rearrange things, and see how it works. But the reason I wanted this is because it's about 1 inch deeper from front to back, and it's about 1 inch taller. It just keeps everything from being so tight in there. The same thing's a little looser, easier to get in and out. Drill's going to go in here just great. It also has a V-swap panel with 4 pockets in it. This front pocket is actually a little bit deeper than the one on the XL, so I can put a few more things, or the same things, but it's just not going to be as tight and cramped and packed in there. A little bit looser, easier to dig around, pull something out without having to take half of it out to get to it. But the biggest reason I got this is for these 2 meter bags on the side, and there's been a change to these from the original version of this bag. I'm going to let you know what that is. Originally, you would unzip this and it would stop about right in here. So you couldn't get the whole thing open the way you wanted to try to dig anything out. This one, let's find out. Boom. Zipper goes down farther. That bag, or that meter pouch, actually opens up wider to reach in and get something. So I'm going to stick this meter in there. The Field Piece 480 is what I use. I like a shorter, smaller meter. Goes right in there, plenty of room. And zip that right up. Fits in there perfectly fine. It's not going to be shaking around or jarring around, but I just wanted a separate bag. I've got mine zip tied and it dangles around. I just wanted something a little bit better. So that is there. That's going to fit in there just fine. Extra pockets on the inside. Mesh pocket there if I want to throw an extra set of leads or gator clips or something in there. My needle probes will slide right in there. Got the other pocket on the other side. Does the same thing. And I may start putting my refrigerant set in here, my job links from Field Piece, put those in there, my temperature clamps. I'll try it and see if they fit. If they fit fine, we're good to go. Then I can slide my charging tee for those maybe in one of these pockets. A little bag with extra gaskets, things like that. Maybe some extra batteries back in there. But I like that because I wanted to clear up the back so I could actually store a tablet back here, put a tablet back there. So we'll see how that works out. The inside of this bag is more spacious. We have these included now if I want to tuck some bits and things in there. Get rid of that little hook on the side, bit holder, which I've liked that, but I don't like a lot of loose things dangling around on my bag. So I wanted to get something that was going to give me more options to place those things inside, and really so that the only thing that's on the side of my bag is maybe some tape and maybe a tape measure hanging, something like that. But The same pocket layout, they're a little bit deeper, more room. So pockets out here, pockets out there, similar to what's already on the XL, just a little different design. So anyway, that's the unboxing on this bag. Excuse me. Also, this pocket in the back is a lot deeper than the one that's on the XL. It's probably almost an inch deeper. So when you tuck some things in there, they're not bulging out of the top. They're actually in there nice and deep. They're going to be secure. They're going to stay in there. Obviously, it has the hook right there, like all these bags do. But I leave mine hanging out, just like this one was delivered, because that just creates one more pocket right there. If you want to tuck something in there, you can tuck it in there. So with that said, that's the unboxing of the TP-XL. So far, I'm liking it. I'm not going to load it out right now. I'm going to continue the rest of the week, which is Thursday. So one more day with the XL, and then the XXL will get loaded out. I'm going to do a follow-up video on how that loads out. The weight on this bag is only just a hair short of a pound more than the XL bag. So weight-wise, if you're just reorganizing and reconfiguring your loadout with the additional space and storage and pockets that this bag comes with, you're not going to notice a weight change, to be honest. You just have to not fall into the rabbit hole of packing more stuff in there. With that said, it was delivered today. I'm very pleased with it. I like it. We're going to load it out this weekend, and we're going to do a follow-up video on that loadout and how well everything goes. This extra bag, like I said, this meter bag on the side, the real reason I wanted this was to have a built-in bag for my meter and an extra bag on the side to get my refrigerant gauges, my transducers, the field piece job links. I can tuck those in here. The temperature clamps, make sure those fit in there properly. And then maybe on this back, instead of putting a tablet or something back there, which I have an iPad, maybe I can put a hose back here, a charging hose. I'll have my charging tee in the bag. Maybe a couple of other smaller things that you look forward to have handy when you need it. But anyway, that's the TP-XL. It's not a new bag. They've been out. They've just changed the design a little bit, and the biggest difference is these meter pockets being able to fold open more. Before, they would zip up to, I think they stopped about right there. So it made it hard to get in there and grab what you needed. Now this bag is deeper, opens up. You can reach in there, grab what you need, and pull it out. So with that said, we'll load this thing out. I'll do a video on the loadout and review this weekend of how this bag works, the weight difference possibly. I'll probably do a before and after, weigh my TP-XL loaded out, and weigh this with the same things in it loaded out. Should be very close. As far as the giveaway, 1,000 subscribers, you're going to get this TP6B and probably my TP-XL included. And I promise you it's in great condition. It's pretty much almost like new because I take care of my stuff. I don't drag it around under the house and throw it and chunk it, things like that. So $280 of free bags, not really a bad deal for a free giveaway, right? So we'll follow up on that once we start getting close to 1,000, maybe about 900. We'll start planning that and how I'm going to handle that. So anyway, guys, also it comes with a Veto sticker. They all do. The one that came with that bag will be in there when you get it. So like and subscribe. I appreciate the ones that have and the ones that do in the future. Suggestions on some content, some videos, some information, let me know. I'll try to do the best I can to get that out. So with that said, gentlemen, you guys have a good evening. I'm going to put this back in the box because I'm not going to mess with it tonight. This weekend I'll load it out and I'll shoot a video, and we'll see how well it works. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm an Iron Maiden fan. Somebody was mentioning, yeah, the Iron Maiden guy, Iron Maiden. I think somebody's not familiar, but it's Iron Maiden. I'll put up another concert video from where I saw him back in October in Greensboro, North Carolina. And it's a great song, and it was a great performance. Check back for that. You'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe down in the, let's see if I can get this right this time, bottom right hand corner, the subscribe button. If you'll touch that, subscribe, I'd appreciate it. You guys enjoy your weekend. I'm gonna go inside and have a cold beer, fix a little dinner for everybody, and probably turn in about 9:30, 10 o'clock, get a good night's sleep, and get back at it tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a blessed evening.